Hey guys, it's Eric here and this is the TECNO Camon 12 Air unboxing and I'll be giving this one away. We'll get to it later in this video. The box looks a lot like the two other TECNO Camon 12 series I reviewed earlier. When we open it up, we are greeted with a smartphone. Let's go ahead and take out the sticker on the front and on the back. This is the Alpenglow Gold color. It also comes in ocean blue. We have an envelope that houses the SIM ejector tool, a warranty card, a user guide. We can see all the 4G LTE bands that it supports here, including Glow 4G band 28. We have a transparent CPU case. Let's see how well it fits. We have a tempered glass screen protector. On the bottom compartment, we have a standard 10-watt charger, a micro USB cable, and a pair of earphones. On the front, we have a 6.55-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with 20:9 aspect ratio. On the top left corner, we have a punch hole that houses an 8-megapixel camera and earpiece up top. On the back, we have a triple camera setup, a 16-megapixel main shooter, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with quad flash. You also get a fingerprint sensor and some TECNO branding. On the left, you have a 3-in-1 tray that houses two 4G LTE nano SIMs and an SD card. On the right, you have a volume rocker and power button. On the top, you have nothing. On the bottom, you have a speaker, a micro USB port, a microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Camon 12 Air's back and frame are made from a polycarbonate material and it has nearly the same dimensions as the Camon 12. The gradient color looks better in real life than on camera. It also attracts fingerprint smudges, so yeah, put a case on it. On the front, we have a punch hole cut out for the camera. TECNO calls this a dot-in display and it is this display that makes the Camon 12 Air stand out from every TECNO phone ever released. I got a lot of comments about the Camon 12 Air being the best looking one and I'm guessing it's because of this TECNO's dot-in display. It is a big display, it makes for immersive media consumption and the punch hole isn't obtrusive. It is only a HD Plus display, so YouTube videos are capped at 720p. Camon 12 Air comes in 32 gigs of storage and 3 gigs of RAM. We're running on Android 9 Pie with HiOS 5.5.2 slapped on top of it. We've seen all of this before in my other review videos, so let's keep to the heart of this guy. Camon 12 Air ships with a MediaTek Helio A22 quad-core CPU clocked at 2.0 GHz and is the same one on the TECNO Spark 4. Now this guy has an extra 1 gig of RAM over the TECNO Spark 4 and because of this it will handle your everyday apps slightly smoother and it can handle a fair bit of multitasking. The fingerprint sensor is surprisingly fast and the face unlock, unlocks by using the camera to read your face. The Camon 12 Air uses the PowerVR GE8300 GPU and everyone who has seen my stories has seen that this GPU handles Call of Duty really smoothly. I played PUBG on default settings, which is smooth graphics and medium frame rate, and it actually ran a bit better than it did on the Spark 4 and pretty similar to the gameplay of the Vanilla Camon 12. The Camon 12 Air is powered by a 4000 mAh battery and it should get you through a full day or 2 days of use if you're a light user. It uses a 12nm power efficient chip and it doesn't matter what apps you run, you'll get really good battery life on this guy. It took me 2 hours and 58 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. It does not support fast charging. I tested the triple AI camera setup of the Camon 12 Air. Here are some shots that I took. It records videos in 1080p. You get macro mode and wide angle recording too, but there's no image stabilization on this guy. The cameras have a different configuration from what you get on the other Camon 12 series, and compared to the Camon 12, the results from both the primary and selfie cameras aren't all that different outdoors, but indoors we can see that the Camon 12 selfie camera has a much better quality. The screen flash also pales in comparison to the dual front firing flash of the Camon 12. The Camon 12 Air has earned its name because of the entry-level quad-core processor. However, TECNO put a fashionable spin on it this year and made it look trendier than its pricier Pro and Vanilla siblings, all thanks to that selfie camera punch hole. The Camon 12 Air is priced at 42,500 Naira and it's available at every major retail store nationwide. This giveaway is courtesy TECNO Mobile Nigeria, and to enter this giveaway you'd have to follow them on all their social media pages. I'll be leaving all the links as well as the instructions to win this giveaway in the video description. A winner will be announced on Sunday. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram to see what I'm up to. Do subscribe for more videos like this as it will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.